All right, hello class. This is lesson 126. I need you to get that worksheet out right now. Now for this worksheet, you're going to need your number chart. I know that I sent that home, so get your number chart out, and you're also going to need your ruler. So get those two things out along with your math worksheet. You're going to need those to complete this worksheet today. And I think that's it. So your number chart and your ruler. Okay, first of all, on the front of your paper, all you're going to do, first you're going to write your name and number. Don't forget that. Then there's a little poem, and the title of the poem is Springtime, because we are now in the season of spring. It's going to get warmer soon. Hooray! So springtime, that's the title of the poem. So you can read the poem, and then all you have to do is just color the picture. Because now for our math papers, we're going to transition to different pictures that have to do with springtime. We know that the different seasons that we have spring, we have summer, fall, and then winter. All right, so we have those 4 seasons of the year. So right now, we are in the season of spring. All right, so that's the front side of the paper. Now flip your paper over to the back side. Now, the top section there, you're going to need to write the sums. Now remember, a sum is an answer to the addition problem. So I have some problems written here on the board. Let me turn my camera here, and you can follow along. All right, still learning how to do this. So bear with me, children. Here we go. So let's look at our first problem. We have 23 plus 42 plus 21. And these problems are all on your math paper. So you can do the work as I'm explaining what to do, which in most cases we should kind of already know what to do because we've already done this in the past. So first of all, we have 3 numbers that we need to add together. And you might say, whoa, that's a lot of numbers. I don't know if I can do it. You can, because we have learned how to do it. And this is kind of just review. So the first thing we can do to help us to add our numbers together is to draw our line down the middle. Now, some of you don't need to draw the line, and that's fine too. But whatever's easier for you. So I drew the line down the middle. Now remember, we have 2 sides. We have the 1 side and the 10 side. Now, which side do we always start on? We start on the right side so that we can get the right answer, which is the 1 side. We always start on the 1 side. So we have 3 plus 2 plus 1. So I'm going to take 3 plus 2 and add those together, and that is 5. That equals 5. So 3 plus 2 is 5, plus 1 more is 6. So I'm going to write 6 down here, and then I can go to my left side, which is the 10 side. So I have 2 plus 4 plus 2. So 2 plus 4 is 6. 6 plus 2 is 8. So my answer is 86. Now I can go to my next problem here. We have 54 plus 11 plus 24. So once again, I can draw my line down the middle, and add the numbers together. We have 4 plus 1 plus 4. So 4 plus 1 is 5, and then 5 plus 4 is 9. So I can write 9. And then I can go to my left side. 5 plus 1 plus 2. So 5 plus 1 is 6. And then 6 plus 2 is, that's right, 8. So I'm going to write 8, which 54 plus 11 plus 24 equals 89. Now my last one, I'm not going to draw my line down the middle because there's some of you out there that don't need to draw the line, which is fine. But if you still need to draw the line, you can. But I'm going to pretend there's a line here, and I'm going to start on my right side. So I have 3 plus 2 plus 3, okay? So 3 plus 2 is 5, and then 5 plus 3 more is 8. Now I can go to my left side. 3 plus 1 plus 4. 3 plus 1 is 4, and then 4 plus 4 is 8. So my answer is 88. So that is section 1 on the back of your paper. Now, section 2, you see some balloons there. What they want you to do for section 2, they want you to count by 3. So I have my number chart here, and I hope all of you have your, let me move my camera a little bit. I hope all of you have your number chart also. So we can go ahead and let's count by 3s. Here we go, ready? Begin. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30, 33, 36, 39, 42. I'm going to stop there. Once again, so you can go back and count by 3s. Remember, if we start at 3, we're going to count. We're going to skip over to three numbers. So we have 3, and then 1, 2, 3, which is 6. 3, 6, 9, 12. 3, 6, 9, 12. So on and so forth. So go ahead and practice counting by 3s. Now, what they want you to do, though, is they want you to fill in the missing numbers. So we have 3, and then my next number would be 6. 3, 6, here's 6. Then we have 9. That would be my next number. 3, 6, 9. So we're at 9, 3, 6, 9, 12. Okay? And then after 12 would be 1, 2, 3, 15. So I would write 15 and my next balloon. They have balloons on your paper. Miss Williams does not have balloons written on the board, and that's okay. All right, so my battery's dying, so sorry. All right, so we have 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. And then the next one would be 18. And then after 18, we would have 21, okay? So you get the idea? You can go ahead and finish that. So it's 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21. And then what would be next? If this is 21, we're going to count over 3 numbers to get to our next 3. So that is counting by 3. So that section, you're counting by 3s. And then section 3 on that paper, you're counting the coins and adding all the numbers together. So once again, write the value of the coin, how much the coin is worth above the coin, and then add all the numbers together. All right? Now the last thing for this paper is you're going to draw a line. Now, if you notice on your paper, you have the letters CM. CM stands for centimeters. So you need your ruler for this. So get your ruler out. Now remember, there are 2 sides to the ruler. There's this side, which is the inch side, and then if we flip it over, we have the centimeter side. Now, what they want you to do for this paper is you're going to draw a line using the centimeter side. Remember, the centimeter side is smaller. Remember, the inch side is bigger, it's wider. So they want you to flip your ruler over to the centimeter side. So that's what you need to do. And you're going to draw a line that is 13 centimeters long. So remember, we're going to put our ruler, let me get my marker out here. We're going to put our ruler at the beginning of the line. So they have a long line here like that. That's what you see on your paper. And you're going to line up. Let me get up to the camera here. You're going to line up. See that first little line there? By the right before the 1 there. You're going to line up that line with this line on your paper. And you're going to draw a line that is 13 centimeters long. So you're going to count over. I'm at 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and I'm going to stop. And that is my line that is 13 centimeters long. So you're going to draw a line that is 13 centimeters long. Make sure you are using the correct side of the ruler, because if you're using the inch side, it's going to be really long. You're not gonna be able to even draw it. So that's why it's important that we use the correct side of the ruler. So that concludes lesson 126. All right, see you later.